So how to use YouTube, live news, music, and movies. Today's agenda, we're going to search, we're going to look at the feed, and we're going to check out subscribe and like and comments. So why is YouTube important? Well, a lot of people use YouTube every single day. There is you can listen to music, there's people's ideas, there's educational videos. It's a place where you can stay updated with news without paying cable, and basically you can post your own ideas, talents, and grow your own business if you want. So activity 1, I would have you go ahead and look at the Google app on your phone. On the internet, you would just type in YouTube in the search area. So we'll go ahead and do that. Once you're on the video, you have to click on the right side of the screen. Basically, there is a skip button on the right side of the screen. And that's where you would basically skip the advertisements and go straight to the video. There's a feed option. And basically, on the feed option of the video, you would see what's trending, shopping, music, movies, and TV. These are like all small videos that you can see on the left side of the screen. The third activity that we would try to do is interact with a video. You could like or dislike and leave a comment. You would have to have your own YouTube channel first to do that, but it is fun to interact with people and share your ideas this way. So future goals, try interacting with live content. You can pause videos, turn up the volume, and if you have any questions, there's a YouTube lesson on YouTube where I'll share the direct link.